Bonjour everyone! So welcome to my vlog. From last week, hindi namin nagamit yung tickets ng Pompidou, pero nagamit rin namin the week after kahit it's in another date. Okay lang siya kasi kasalanan naman nila dahil nagsa-strike sila because in 5 years end of 2024, 5 years na close ang Pompidou. So guys, please visit. Ayun nga pala yung Eiffel Tower as seen from inside ng Pompidou. And then we came here today for the Picasso exhibit. Grabe guys, I really like for me I like Picasso style ha. And in this exhibit they show different styles ni Picasso na I think if you have young kids, you can show them some pictures about this. And then aliw lang siya. So, katulad nito, pasted paper, papier-collé. So, yung mga drawings ni Picasso, hinahaluan niya ng mga pieces of paper, like newspaper, other drawings, ganyan. Parang mini collage.